Google Classroom, one of the world's top elements used by 40 million users all over the world. This is the only application that is developed for education by Google. Google Classroom is a learning management system that is designed for teachers to create a blended learning in such a way that non-digital and digital material can be used in the classroom. Welcome back. So let's go to the scoreboard and start the exploration right away. Welcome to the world of Google Classroom, and I want to assure you that Google Classroom is one of the best out there when we talk about the learning management system for schools, and I see these tools as one of the best. So if you are just starting to use this Google Classroom, this is how to go about it. There are two major ways to sign up. You can sign up by searching on the web store Google Classroom, on the search engine Google Classroom. Then the website is classroom.google.com. So when you click on classroom.google.com, it is going to open Google Classroom right away. So apart from that, you can also get that by clicking on the 9 dots. It is written there, Google Apps. When you click on the 9 dots, you come down, there is the word Classroom below. So when you click on the Classroom below, you will be able to make use of this app called Google Classroom. So if you are just opening your class, this is what is going to come up. Can't see any of your existing classes, try another account. So I want to teach you two major things, that is how to open a class and how to join a class. So when you click on this plus sign, there are two things majorly there. The first one is join a class, the second one is create a class. So let's create a class, and then we'll start up something right away. So I click on create class, and it's going to ask you some questions. Just highlight it that we have read and understand, and click on continue. So when you click on continue, it's going to ask you for the name of the class. If the name of the class is art, creative art and crafts class, session, first session, subject is art, and the room, sometimes we use number, and sometimes you can also write it Mr. EBEN. That is it belongs to me, that is my room as the teacher in the classroom. So from this right away, I continue, which is to click on create, and my class will create immediately. Now this is the next step to actually work on as a teacher. Create your class. When you create your class, there are endless possibilities. When you create your class, I'd like you to make sure that you follow this step, and then you will find it very easy. So this is my class has already been created. They will surely invite you by giving you some guidelines. Just be clicking on got it, and this is Google Classroom. You have here, we have stream, we have here, we have classroom, we have here, we have people, we have mark. This is awesome. It is very simple to use. I would just like you to get your student ready. So when you get your student ready, the next thing you are going to do is to now send them the class code. So where exactly is the class code? To get your class code, just click on the class code, and the class code will pop out immediately. That is the class code. It is very easy to get your class code. With this class code, just send it to your student, and your student will click, instead of clicking on join class, your student will click on instead of clicking on create a class, your student will click on join class. Now I'm going to now create go back again and do as if I want to join a class. I already copy the link of the particular class, so right now I cancel back. But I said we have stream, we have classwork, we have people, we have mark. I've been sending some videos. You can check link below to find some of the video solution video to all these parts. So I go back, I click on the three back key here, and I click on classes. So when I go back to classes, I have one class. I can click on the plus sign. When I click on the plus sign, I click on join, and when I click on join, I get the class code from my teacher, and I join the class. That is, this time I am joining as a student. So by the time I join this person's class, I'm joining, this is a class. This is a class called e-learning and resources making, and as a student here, I can only see stream, classwork, and people. So I can see my class member, I can see my classwork, and I can also see the home page, which is the stream. So, and if you check the other part where you are the owner of the class, it is quite very different. Let me show you what I mean. In the one that it is your class, it is going to be 4 things, that is stream, classwork, people, and mark. So get this done, and this is the first step to use Google Classroom. I'd like you to take your time to explore this, and if you have any question, kindly drop the question below. Remember to subscribe to the channel, and I'll be right back with more video on Google Classroom. Thank you. Welcome.